Morning students, yesterday what did we discuss? 7.2 exercise 7.2 substitution method of substitution. The method, some problems are completed. Today continue the problems. But next one, integral x square by integral x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube, 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx, x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube. So what you have to take, put inside value, okay, x cube, okay, 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t, derivative with respect to t, 0 plus 3 into x cube derivative, 3x square dx is equal to dt. So 9x square dx is equal to dt, x square dx is equal to 1 by 9 dt. So integral x square dx is equal to 1 by 9 dt by, it all taken t cube. So 1 by 9 integral t power minus 3 dt, that is equal to 1 by 9 into integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by 18 into, what is t? T is equal to 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 2 plus c. Simple. Apply the formula and substitute t value and simplify. Okay. Next one. Integral e power tan inverse x by integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Which one is t? This is, for example, integral e power tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So tan inverse x is equal to t. Tan inverse x is equal to t means derivative of tan inverse x is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So put tan inverse x is equal to t. Tan inverse x is equal to t. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So that is equal to integral tan inverse x is equal to t means e power t. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to what? Dt. Integral e power x is equal to e power x plus c. What is t? T is equal to tan inverse x. So e power tan inverse x plus c. Next one, very important, integral e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1 dx. So derivative taken t, e power 2x minus 1 derivative of e power 2x 2 into e power 2x, not e power 2x plus 1. So t is nothing to impossible. So integral common e power 2x. E power 2x e power x into e power x minus 1 by e power 2x e power x into e power x plus 1, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So common e power x. So e power x, there is no e power x. So this one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ e power x into e power x into 1 by e power x is equal e power x cancel by e power x is common, e power x plus 1 by e power x dx. So e power x common, e power x minus e power minus x, e power x plus e power minus x dx. Very very important one. Okay, so what is t? Put e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t. E power x derivative e power x plus e power minus x derivative e power minus x derivative e power minus x into minus 1 equal dx is equal to dt. So e power x minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now so this one is taken t. So e power x minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. So integral e power x minus e power minus dx is equal to dt by e power x plus e power minus x value t. So integral 1 by t is equal to log t. Integral 1 by t is equal to log t. So that is equal to log mod. What is t? E power x plus e power minus x plus c. Very very important problem. Next, another important one, very very important one. Integral e power 2x, integral e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx. This is also important one. What is taken t? Denominator. Okay. Put e power 2x plus e power minus tx is equal to t. What is the derivative of e power x? Derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. E power 2x derivative e power 2x into 2 minus e power minus 2x into 2 dx is equal to dt. Minus means what? E power minus x derivative, e power x derivative, e power x है, e power minus x derivative, e power minus x into minus 1. So the plus into minus, e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx is equal to what? 1 by 2 into dt, 2 common. Okay. So integral e power 2x plus e power minus tx is equal to e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx is equal to what? 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x value t. that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 by t log t plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod what is t, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. Next one, integral tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Tan square, integral tan x formula is there, integral tan x formula is there, but tan square formula is not there. So this tan square is converted into first put 2x minus 3 is equal to t, derivative 2 into derivative of x1 3 0 into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So that is equal to tan square, what is t, 2x minus 3 equal to t, what is dx, dx is equal to what, 1 by 2 dt. So this 1 by 2 constant to separate from the integral. Tan square direct, there is no tan square x formula. So tan square x is formula, trigonometry fundamental formula, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1 no. So tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1, tan square t is equal to secant square t minus 1 dx. So 1 by 2 into integral secant square t dt minus integral 1 dt, this is the big bracket. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral secant square x, integral secant square x is equal to tan x, integral secant square t is equal to tan t, integral 1 dt is equal to t plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 into tan of what is t, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 minus of 2x minus 3 plus c. Okay. Homework 1, integral secant square 7 minus 4x, integral secant square 7 minus 4x. Homework. Next one, direct formula tan. Integral 2 cos x, integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 9 sin x dx. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, this one 6 cos x plus 4, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 4 sin x, 2 common. Okay, which one is t, maximum denominator taken t, 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t, 6 into cos x derivative minus sin x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus 4 into sin x derivative cos x dx is equal to dt. So 2 common, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, here 2 into 2 4 cos x minus 2 into 3 6 sin x dx is equal to dt. So 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So here 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx, 2 cos x minus 3x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to what, t. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 by t dt. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 by t is equal to log t plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod what is t, t is equal to what, 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. This is the answer. This is also one of the important. Next, integral 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Which one is d? Secant square x, cos square x derivative. Let's simplify. We have to simplify. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x 1 minus tan x whole square. Secant square tan की relation is there. Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So which one is secant square derivative? Tan x. No tan x, but tan x derivative secant square x. So which one is d? 1 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x is equal to t minus 1 0, derivative of 1 0, tan x secant square x dx is equal to dt. So secant square x dx is equal to minus dt. Secant square x dx is equal to minus dt by 1 minus tan x is equal to t square. Integral 1 by t square. Integral minus 1 by t square dt is equal to integral minus t power 1 by t square is equal to minus 2 dt. So integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus minus cancel. T power minus 2 plus 1 means t power minus 1. T power minus 1 is equal to 1 by t. So 1 by t plus c. What is t? 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Integral, this is very important one, very important one. Integral cos root x by root x dx. Integral cos root x by root x dx, very important one. Put what is t? Root x is equal to t. Root x is equal to t. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. So cos root x, integral cos root x is equal to t by 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. 1 by root x dx, 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Integral 2 constant 2. Integral cos t. Integral cos t is equal to sin t. 2 into what is sin t? Root x plus c. Simple. So cos root x by root x, no? Any doubt? Any doubt? You have any doubt? By cos root x into 1 by root x dx. Cos root x into 1 by root x dx. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Cos root x is equal to t. This is a very, very important problem. Note it. Note this. Next, cos x by root of 1 plus sin x. Next one, integral cos x by root of 1 plus sin x dx. Integral cos x by root of 1 plus sin x. Which one is t? Inside root. Inside root value is t. So 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. So integral cos x dx is equal to dt by root of 1 plus sin x is equal to t. So that is equal to integral 1 by root t is equal to t power minus 1 by 2 dt. 1 by t root t is equal to t power 1 by 2. 1 by root t is equal to t power minus 1 by 2. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. T power 1 by 2 plus c. That is equal to 2 into what is t? T is equal to 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. 2 into 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Simple one. First what you have to think, what is t? What is t? Maximum denominator value must be t. Root 2, cube root 2, fourth root 2, log of, sin of, inside value must be t. And we have to derivative is main important. Derivative you don't know derivative means, then you don't have any marks. One homework, integral sin inverse x by integral sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. This is the first one. Second one, integral sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. These two are homeworks you have to try. Next another one, sin x by, third one, integral sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Here this is 1 plus cos x is equal to t. This is also 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Here sin inverse x is equal to t. This is the problems. Okay, these simple problems. Next one, integral 1 by 1 plus cot x. Integral 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. That is equal to integral 1 by 1 plus cot x is equal to cos x by sin x dx. Cot x formula. Cot x is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos. So LCM. Sin x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x by sin x plus cos x. First sin x is equal to t means derivative of sin x cos x. So sin x plus cos x, no, not a cos. So sin x plus cos x derivative cos x minus sin x, no use. So this is sin x plus cos x minus cos x plus cos x plus sin x. So 2 divide and multiply 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x. So 1 by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus cos x plus sin x. Sin x plus cos x dx. So we have to calculate cos x cancel, sin x plus sin x 2 sin x. So separate 1 by 2 into integral sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x. Sorry, sin x minus cos x by idu dx plus another integration cos x plus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Okay, once again sin x divide LCM sin x 1 by sin x plus something. So 2 divide and multiply cancel. So e 2 sin is converted in terms of sin and cos. Sin x minus cos x plus cos x cancel. Sin x plus sin x is equal to sin x. So divide. So these one both are cancel. So what we have to take in? Put sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Sin x derivative cos x, cos x derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So here sin x minus cos x. So minus common, minus of minus common. Minus common means sin x minus cos x dx is equal to dt. So sin x minus cos x dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Sin x minus cos x is equal to minus dt. So 1 by 2 into integral sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt by sin x plus cos x is equal to t plus integral dt. Cancel integral dt minus dt integral dx. Okay, dx. So 1 by 2 into 1 by t. 1 by t means minus log mod d plus integral 1 x. 1 by 2 into minus log, what is d? Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus x plus c. This is all. Is the same problem. Integral 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. This is the homework. Integral 1 by 1 minus tan x homework. This cancel. So then the two integrals. First integral is main one. Second integral there is no function, constant function. Cancel integral dx. Integral dx is equal to x. So this one. Okay. Integral, important one, root tan x by sin x into cos x. Integral root tan x by sin x into cos x dx. So integral root tan x by sin x into cos x. Cos x divide and multiply cos x procedure. So root tan x by cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x by cos x into cos x cos square x. లేకపోతే డౌట్ అనుకో రూట్ tan x cos x by sin x నెక్స్ట్ ఈ cos x by sin x ఇంటూ 1 by cos square x dx. ఈ cos by sin వన్ సైడ్, ఈ cos square వన్ సైడ్. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ tan x ఇంటూ cos x by sin x cot x into 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So root tan x by cot x. Cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. Cot x is equal to 1 by tan x into secant square x dx. So that is equal to root tan x by tan x. Root tan x by tan x is equal to secant square x by root x by x by root x is equal to root x, root x by x is equal to 1 by root x. So root tan x dx. So which one is t? Tan x is equal to t. Okay, tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x, secant square x. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. So ఈ ఇంటిగ్రల్ secant square x dx value dt by root tan t. Tan t tan x is equal to what? T. Root t. That is equal to integral 2 power minus 1 by 2 dt. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So equal to 2 into t power 1 by 2 root t plus c. That is equal to 2 into what is t? Tan x. What is t? Tan x. 2 root tan x plus c. Is very very important problem. Okay. Okay, once again, root tan x by sin x into cos x. First divide and multiply cos x. Cos x into cos x is equal to cos square x. Cos x by sin x. Root tan x into cos by sin x is equal to cot x. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So root x by x is equal to 1 by root x. Okay, tan x is equal to t, secant square dx is equal to dt, root t, t power minus 1 by 2 is equal to. Okay, integral 1 plus log x whole square, integral 1 plus log x whole square, 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. Homework. Okay, these substitution methods problems are completed. Some more example problems and 1 or 2 exercise problems you have to complete. Okay, tomorrow next to trigonometric identities, integration using trigonometric identities. This tomorrow class. Okay, thank you.